Welcome to my channel, Harmony Spa Music. Today, we're taking a peek behind the scenes. Ever stumbled upon those mesmerizing ambient videos on YouTube? They're not just captivating, they're gold mines for views and watch time. If you're aiming for monetization, these videos can be your secret weapon. And hey, I'm here to share my tips and tricks that have helped me create my own YouTube channel dedicated to relaxation music. Together, we'll explore how to curate the perfect soundscape, craft captivating visuals, and use AI tools like Runway to take our videos to the next level. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on an adventure in creativity and relaxation. Let's dive in and create some magic. Now, let's talk about the tool we'll be using, runwayml.com. It's an AI-powered video editing tool packed with various features like text-to-image, background editing, font editing, color correction, and more. It makes creating high-quality videos faster and easier, and best of all, it's free to use. Next, let's discuss the type of video we're aiming to create. If you search for restaurant sounds on YouTube, you'll find plenty of videos with millions of views. We'll be creating similar videos, perhaps even better, using Runway. But first, we need sounds for the background. My favorite website for this is pixabay.com, where you can find a wide range of copyright-free sounds, including nature sounds and restaurant ambience. If you can't find what you need on Pixabay, you can always search for free sounds on Google. Just be sure to choose longer tracks, preferably at least 10 minutes long, to ensure a seamless loop for your video. Once you've gathered your sounds, it's time to create the visuals. Runway's Infinite Image tool allows you to generate images in various styles, such as paintings by famous artists like Erin Hansen or Edward Hopper. You can choose the style that fits your video theme, generate multiple images side by side. Then download the result to use in your video. After downloading your images, you can import them into Runway's video editor, adjust their size and position, and animate them to create movement. Finally, combine your images with the background sounds and you've got your ambient sound video ready to upload to YouTube. It's that simple. Go ahead and give it a try. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And remember, by liking, subscribing, and tuning into my videos, you'll create a favorable environment for your relaxation channel algorithm. Let's keep the vibes positive and the relaxation flowing.